Oh, running nice. Running really nice, boys. Full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger, full trigger. I am very happy with this. Running over her own chop like nothing. Nice, guys, nice. Nice, I'm happy with that. Definitely happy with that. I ordered some more props for her. 3414 was the absolute max, but I think 3214 will be fun. I mean, realistically, she's getting it, boys. Realistically, the 3014 that she's got right now is not a small prop at all for this setup. And that's pretty much her battery. She gets up out of the water nice. Stable. Nice and stable in the straights. Taking those turns beautifully with the fin. Landed it. All right, we'll bring it back. Wow, that water is warm, boys. 2440 stock, 40 amp ESC, 3014 with a right-mounted rudder and the micro swoop. The other one is the mini swoop. All right, we got one final test on the stock H15. Running a 3014 TFL prop. This is the stock prop that comes with the setup. We got a 1400 Ovonic SMC pack. Ovonic pack 1400 and a Seaking 40 amp ESC. I'll tape her up. We'll throw her in the water. All right, boys, here we go. Last quick test with this H15 before we start rigging up everybody's orders. This one is stock, and we will see how she works. So let's see it. There she is, boys. Running very nice. There she is. Water cooling. Hooking the turns beautifully. Stability. Splashing water all over the place. Loving it. Super stable. Look at that. Oh, caught something, caught something. Some leaves. All right, we'll rip her a little more. We'll take her back to the car. She takes off. Caught something again. Water's filthy here today. Feather this time. She turns left, by the way. That's some stability, boys. Very happy with the stock setup. She got a little bit of oversteer, that's why she rolled right now. What happens is that the battery's too far forward. So what you could do when the battery's a little too far forward and you're kind of dipping down, you want to raise your strut a little bit, and it'll theoretically drop the transom into the water and raise the bow a little. The shitty tape is coming off already, but give her a few more laps. Oh, she hit something. Whatever that was. This was caught right over here. No wonder she wasn't turning. All right. I don't want to stop ripping her. I'm just having too much fun. This water is so filthy. And there's the battery. Oh. More leaves. And return fin is moving and catching shit. All right, well, I am very happy with this stock setup, boys. Can't ask for more. I really can't. That's it. So we're going to start rigging up everybody's orders this weekend. We have a choice of rudder on the right or rudder on the left, and the stock setup, it honestly runs exactly the same. So with that said, thank you for tuning in, everybody. Stock H15, ready for sale. Hit me up if you guys are interested in one. And that's it, guys. We're calling it a beautiful day today, but I got to get to the job site. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. H15 stock, ready to go.